Start by making 6 white pairs. So you take 2 pieces and you put them together like this. Make 6 of these. Then with dark red make 7 pairs. Then connect the dark red pairs together. And then the white pairs together. Then connect the red and white together. Now the stomach is going to go in diagonally. So this side goes in diagonally, but this one doesn't. So you remove this piece and replace with dark red. So now the white bits go in diagonally. Then make a row of 4 pieces. Then a row of 3 pieces. Then in the row of 3 pieces remove the middle piece and replace with dark yellow. Then put 2 pieces on top and then 1 piece on top. Now fill in the rest with dark red. Now remove the dark red pieces next to the dark yellow and replace with white. Then add a row of 4 white pieces. Then in between the 2 white pieces you're going to insert 1 black piece. And then slide a white piece over these 4 points. Then add a black piece in the middle and 2 black pieces on top. Now fill in the rest with dark red. Then remove these red pieces next to the black and replace with an inverted black. So that's a normal piece, and to make it inverted turn it around so the straight side is facing you. Then on top of that add 2 normal black pieces